This new module will change your voice from this to this.
Keep watching because this isn't the only feature this app brings.
To enable this feature, we need the Good Look application that we can get from the Galaxy Store or from the links that I put in the description down below. After installing the Good Look application, the next step is to open it. Click the Family tab. Then you will need to click this module called SoundAssistant. Open it and scroll down till you find this feature called Voice Changer. Now all you need to do is to enable it, and as it says here, when an app starts using the microphone, you will get a notification through which you can use Voice Changer in real time. Or in other words, you can make jokes with your friends and family. This next feature lets you make your own vibration pattern and set it as your ringtone or notification. To do this, repeat the same process as we did previously, but this time we need to click the option Customize Vibration Patterns. Next, click the plus button. Now create a vibration by tapping the screen. When you're done, click Stop and save the pattern. And set it by clicking the name of the pattern you saved. You can show the volume level as well. Click Customize Volume panel and select the option Show Volume Level. This module lets you customize the colors of the volume panel as well. Which feature are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments down below. If you want to learn other features from Good Look app, then watch this entire playlist dedicated to Good Look features only.